Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say in government for the last 8 years focus on better life for Edo people, create opportunities and restore hope for the youths of the state. Obaseki talk this one as they commissioned the Edo State College of Agriculture and Natural Resources Igoraki for Ovia Southwest local government area of the state. The event get plenty ogbonge people like former Governor Chief Lucky Igbenedion, 2024 PDP governorship candidate Dr. Aswan Ighodalo, Head of Service Anthony Okungbowa, among others. According to the governor, for the last 8 years in administration focused on the people, especially the young ones, say them had to give them hope sake of say when they enter government for 2016, the young people own na to japa go other countries and anywhere else except Edo State. A cut off say for one time for 2017, them get over 30,000 boys and girls for Libya and plenty of them die sake of say them they look for better life. Oga Obaseki cut talk say that na why them build institution like this one where fit train them and give them skills, opportunities and hope. A cut talk say the focus of your administration na to create hope and opportunities for the people and to use the resources to develop the state. Obaseki Coste talk say them don build facilities wey fit train up to 1,000 students for different specialization and say the infrastructure na world class and e no fit compare to any university for Naija. E con talk say the purpose no be to produce another set of people with certificate, say we not to get too many people with certificates without skills. Say that na why the purpose na to give opportunities and skills to anybody wey fit enter the institution. Say you no fit enter this institution and come out without skills for agriculture. The governor come also here and say in dream now for the college to produce the largest number of agricultural extension workers for Naija, sake of say the biggest challenges for agriculture na support, and this kind of institution na wetin you go see for some countries wey don't do well for agriculture.
Government must ensure that they de-risk agriculture for investors. They must ensure that they reduce the risk of things like security for them. And I want to say here today, the federal government does not have land. So why is it spending all that money on agriculture?
Presenting in keynote address, Chairman Leventis Foundation Nigeria, Ahmed Kazama Matel, where Kayode Senior represents, come praise the governor for the project and come talk say the project go advance agricultural education and tackle food insecurity.
Agricultural institution will play a key role here by training farmers and agricultural students on novel and cutting-edge solutions in agriculture, some of which include precision agriculture, drones, artificial intelligence, application, automation, robotics, vertical farming, biotechnology in agriculture, and a host of others.
Chemo Edo State Oil Palm Program ESOP Joseph Umoru come also praise the governor for the project and come here and say,
he made us make a commitment as to how we're going to develop the communities that we're taking this land from. One. The second one was this school. He made us commit to ensuring that there was sufficient development in this school so that the manpower we will need, we will not be getting them from other states, we will get them from these states.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Ovia Southwest local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.